Hi everyone, today we are gonna make this gaddi box. It's a slider one, so this is the front, it's a back, and these are the sides. So when you pull this here, it opens up. So in here you can put your gaddi, okay, and then here you can either put a message or you can put a photo or that anything that you want. Okay, so let's just get started. For this one, first we're gonna need one basic cardstock, and in this envelope I have used this beige color, but right now I'm gonna use this brown color, and this one measures 4/3/4 by 8/1/4, and then here we're gonna score at 5/8 inch on all four sides. So this is 5/8 inch. Okay, and if you want your tray to be really sturdy, you can use like a heavy GSM, maybe 270 or something. After that, I'm just gonna make some slants like this, slant cuts, so that when we make our tray, it's nice and tidy, just like this, small cuts, right? And then just fold on these parts. And after that, either you can use your tape or you can use your glue, and then just do this. I have cut a pattern paper. This is measuring 6/7/8 inch by 3/3/8 inch, and now I'm just gonna stick this inside. So now just keep this aside for now. Now we're gonna take another piece. You can take any color, or if you have same cardstock, then you can take the same piece. And then this one measures 7 inches by 3.5. What I have done is put 1/4 inch tape on these two sides, okay? And then from half inch from here, half inch from here, I have cut a slit, but leaving a gap of 3/8 inch from here. If you just measure this part, so this is 3/8 inch, right, till here, and this slit is a bit less than 1/8 inch, that is 1/16 of an inch. So make these two slits, and after that we're gonna need a piece of plastic. So I've cut a ziplock, and this measures 2/5/8, and then I'm gonna just pass it through these slits, and then I'm gonna put some tape on this side. You can use a 1/2 inch tape. Just put tape or at any side, and then just burnish this, okay? And then take your ruler and keep it here. We're gonna stick this plastic together, but we need some room, so that's why I've kept a ruler, so that we don't stick it much tight. Just make sure that these are aligned, and then just push. After that, you can cut your extra piece of plastic like this, and then just move your piece like this and see if it's working fine. Yeah, this is quite smooth, so no issues. Now I'm going to tape side to the rightmost side like this, and then just flip it. After that, take your tape, and on the left side I'm gonna put this tape again, just like this, and then cut it. After that, just burnish it and remove the tape backing, and take your tray like this, and then I'm gonna stick this tray on this piece. But just remember, we are gonna not line this with the tape, but I'm gonna line this edge with this edge, like this edge, okay? So just put your tray, lining it up with your edge, and then just pressing it. So this is our tray now, Okay, so just close your tray, like be in a position like this, and then we are taking another brown cardstock piece, and this is measuring 6.5 by 2 3/4. I'm gonna put tape just like here. Just make sure that your tape is not sticking out of your plastic. If it is, then just chop it and then burnish. After that, just remove your tape backing like this, and then take your piece of cardstock, and then I'm gonna just stick this on the tape just like this. Okay, and then when we just test your mechanism, hold these two pieces, this one and this one, and move. See, it's working fine. Yeah, now just take two pieces of your ribbon, any ribbon. So this was matching with my paper, so I'm taking a tape piece like this, and I'm folding this ribbon, and then I'm gonna stick this at the back of these two pieces. First I'm gonna stick with at the back of the tray like this in the center, and then I'm gonna just put the tape. Just to be sure, I'm putting another piece of tape, and then just burnish this, and then take another piece. So now I have just put these ribbon, and then I'll just check my mechanism. Yeah, so this works fine. All right, so now now we are gonna need one cardstock that will measure 7/1/4 by 9.5, and then we're gonna score at 3/4 inch, 1.5 inch, 5/1/8 inch, 5/7/8 inch. Okay, and then just hold on your scored lines